Welcome to today's video, where we'll be delving into a fascinating problem that may arise when you're trying to become a proficiency programmer. Now, imagine the following scenario. You input the word fraud as the minimum value, and suddenly find yourself plunged into the intriguing world of error detection and recovery. An unexpected twist that could leave even seasoned programmers scratching their heads. In our solution, we encounter a crucial aspect that can't be overlooked. Picture this. By entering fraud as the minimum value, you open the door to a realm filled with intricacies of error detection and recovery. The significance of handling such unexpected inputs is highlighted, steering you towards a deeper understanding of the complexities that can surface in the coding journey. In summary, navigating the intricacies of error detection and recovery when faced with unconventional inputs like fraud can truly test your problem-solving skills as a C programmer. It's essential to approach such scenarios with a keen eye for detail and a knack for swift resolution. Remember, every stumble is an opportunity to grow and learn in the ever-evolving world of programming. So, until next time, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!